Okay, guys, right now we are on the Bitcoin dominance chart. As you may know, this is the chart that people use to see how much money that comes into the crypto markets goes into Bitcoin. So, this means that the more the value of the Bitcoin dominance, more money comes into Bitcoin, and vice versa. When it falls, then it means more money goes into altcoin and not into Bitcoins. So, since January, here we have been dropping in the Bitcoin dominance like a rock, which means that since the beginning of January, we have been having kind of the altcoin season, and we can see that altcoins are pumping left and right. And at the moment, the Bitcoin dominance is at about 52%. And let's see what this means now. We see that historically, around the 50 to 52% range, the green box is where it has been a major support and resistance level. We have had support here, here kind of resistance, here support again, and then now we are back here again. So why is this now important? As you may have known or seen, since about 2 months, Bitcoin is kind of in the 50 to 60,000 range. We broke above 65k, we came back to 60k. We are really struggling in this 58 to 60k region. And we also see that the volume is very low. Volume being low is also a clear indication from this chart. When you have low Bitcoin dominance, it also means that the money is not coming into Bitcoin. That's kind of also in agreement here. So if we want the price of Bitcoin to go up faster, obviously then the Bitcoin dominance has to go higher because more money has to come into Bitcoin. Uh, at the same time, if the dominance is going below this 50% level, then it means that more money is going into altcoin, then we are going to have a new and bigger alt season. So from my perspective, both is good, but knowing the Bitcoin dominance chart will help us to know where we want to put our bets. If in the coming 1 or 2 weeks we see that the the percentage of Bitcoin dominance goes down, then we need to be playing altcoins. If it stays here, then it means that it's kind of Bitcoin is not getting any money, it's staying there. But then also you play the altcoins. But in case if you get a bounce here, a green candle forms, starts to go up, which means more money is coming into Bitcoin, then we may be seeing Bitcoin going to the 80k and the 100k regions. And then it's time to play with the Bitcoin some more instead of putting all the money on alts. So this is what I will be personally doing, and I felt it is a good idea for people who are new to know this chart from which you can derive some additional knowledge of what where the money is going. And also you can clearly see, you can get this chart by typing btc.d on the trading view, and you will be able to see what is going on. Thank you very much for listening. Stay tuned.